Are you preparing for Valentine's Day? I've done absolutely nothing so far, but I do want to add some holiday vibes at home. And if you're anything like me, last minute, but still want something Valentine-ish, quick, delicious, and diet-friendly, then stick with me. I have the perfect recipe for you. Now, I don't even have any fancy Valentine's Day baking molds, but I do have 2 little daughters, and that means 2 things. Hearts are always the favorite shape in this house, and of course pink is the color of choice. So we want to make something pink and absolutely delicious without any molds. Today I'm using an egg, cottage cheese or ricotta, something white and packed with protein. I am using ricotta. Flour. I'm using rice flour because I want a light colored base and rice flour is the whitest I have. Now, to make it pink or red berries. No artificial colors here, plus tons of fiber and antioxidants. I'm picking only the red ones from my frozen mix. Fresh ones would be even better, but hey, we are working with what we have. Since berries are often tart, we need something naturally sweet. Apple is perfect, light in color and sweet. And because I really love sweets, I'll add a little extra sweetener too, and a bit of baking powder for fluffiness. I don't usually have time for the whole separate egg whites and yolks thing, but hey, if you want to separate them for better texture, go for it. So I'm just mixing or blending everything together. 10 seconds, done. Alright, now for a little experiment. Half of these are going into the oven and the other half we are frying them slowly on a pan with a bit of ghee or coconut oil in my case. Which method will win? Team oven or team pan? Comment below before you see the final results. Let's find out. And the results are in. Team oven. These are the easygoing ones. 0 flipping, 0 babysitting. Just pop them in, wait, and voila. Plus, they come out with a perfect shape and need absolutely no extra butter or oil, so they are the lighter option. Team pan-fried. Now, these have a richer color and soft and creamy texture. They take a little more effort, flipping, watching, trying not to burn them, especially for the sake of not losing the pink color. So, which one wins? Honestly, both are amazing. But if I had to choose, this time I am sacrificing a few extra calories and a bit of my time for a pan-fried version. Too good to resist. What about you? Are you team oven or team pan-fried? Drop a comment below. So there you have it, a super quick, healthy and naturally pink Valentine's Day treat. I have other diet-friendly and delicious recipes on my channel. Make sure to check them out, hit the like button and subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day! See you in the next video.